Once upon a time, in the vibrant coral reefs off the coast of Jamaica, lived 6 enchanting flower mermaids: Lucille, Casilda, Eveline, Sissy, Doris, and Babes. Each mermaid possessed a radiant bloom atop their heads that reflected their unique personalities. Lucille wore a crown of hibiscus, bright and bold, embodying her vibrant spirit. Casilda adorned herself with delicate jasmine, spreading sweetness wherever she swam. Eveline's hair was crowned with elegant orchids, representing her gracefulness and wisdom. Sissy, ever playful, wore daisies, fostering joy in all her encounters. Doris' bloom was a striking sunflower, radiating positivity, while Babes was a rare blue anemone, symbolizing her calm and nurturing nature. One sunny afternoon, as the sun danced upon the surface of the sea, the 6 mermaids gathered by a shimmering lagoon adorned with colorful fish and playful dolphins. They were planning the annual Festival of the Blooms, a celebration to honor the reef's beauty and the joy of friendship. Each mermaid had a special role to play. Lucille was in charge of the decorations, Casilda prepared sweet nectar for the feast, Eveline coordinated the dances, Sissy gathered seashells for prizes, Doris organized the games, and Babes created a magical underwater garden to showcase their blooms. As they worked together, laughter filled the water. Suddenly, they heard a distressing sound. A school of fish was trapped in a net. Without hesitation, the mermaids joined forces, using their talents to free the fish. Lucille urged them on with her fiery energy, Casilda soothed the frightened fish with her gentle words, Eveline strategized the best way to untangle them, Sissy lightened the mood with her jokes, Doris rallied everyone to work together, and Babes calmed the waters, guiding the fish to safety. Once the final fish was freed, the mermaids cheered and twirled in delight. However, they soon realized that their flowers had lost some petals in the rescue. At first, they felt disheartened, but then Babes spoke up, "Our flowers may be less beautiful, but they tell a story of kindness and bravery." The mermaids looked at each other, understanding that true beauty comes from their hearts, not just their blooms. As the festival began, they proudly displayed their tattered flowers, each bloom symbolizing a tale of teamwork and compassion, making the Festival of the Blooms more magical than ever. And so, under the twinkling stars, the 6 flower mermaids danced, surrounded by friends, their hearts blooming brighter than their flowers ever could.